butterfly.
It's a
No,
butterfly.
no. You don't shake it.
Don't shake it.
Today we're gonna box these little eggs from a butterfly, and here's my butterfly kit.
It's not an egg shadow. It's actually like little worms. Let's see here.
But are they a caterpillar first?
Yes.
No. Just show you what's inside this little butterfly.
We got this butterfly kit for her birthday, but the actual live butterflies actually took there's like a lead time 7 days to order those.
Yeah, it takes 14 days for them to
larva. It's like caterpillars. So it took a while. It's like they ship it really quick, like a 2-day shipping because it's live.
Can I open it now?
The box, it says live, open at 1. So it was shipped with 2-day shipping. So let's see if they're okay.
So which way do you open it?
So these butterflies came from a different website. It's called Carolina Biological something. This one is from Amazon, and you have to order the butterfly separately. So be careful. So as you can see, here you go. It is here. There is the
web.
I see them. I can see them. Now let's open their little hole.
Carolina. There's like some holes in here for the caterpillars to breathe. See, Carolina.
Web?
Let me see if they're still alive. Oh, they're actually in web. Yeah, there's like webs inside it.
Oh, they're stuck. Is there something eating it?
Are they alive? I'm not even sure if they're alive. So we're gonna observe them, and we're gonna set up their home for a couple weeks. Here, Noah. Here's your little caterpillar. Okay, hold it. Is the oh, this is the packing slip. Unbox the actual kit. Open it, Shannon. There you go.
It's a butterfly.
So it's like a hamper. Whoa! It's a popping hamper. So this is gonna be the home of the butterflies.
Unzip it, and then let's get those things out.
And then you can
Can I help?
There's some food in there. Let me see, Charlotte. What is that?
Food?
I think there's like a petri dish. And then what is that? Oh, that's there for their water. A sponge for their water. Don't make it too nasty. You're gonna get it infected. Where is their food?
Where's the food?
So you're supposed to
Stick them on here.
stick in them. Show them the instruction on how to do that. So
Mommy, there's something in there.
there. You're gonna stick those stickers. There's the instruction.
Can I help you put the stickers on?
Noah's fascinated with a butterfly. You like those little worms, Noah?
He's scared of it.
Is there any food?
What?
Where's the food?
It makes me a tiny bit scared, but it's okay.
I think there is already food inside their home. Let me see. I think those things in there they already have their own food. So they should be good. I don't see them moving, so I'm not sure if they're okay.
And I hope there's none spider eating it. It's gonna do.
Alright, so that is our video for today. We're gonna have some updates on after the first day. We'll see if there's any movement on these caterpillars. Can you not shake them, please? So we're gonna have some updates. So this is day 1. This is how they look on.
It's what's moving. I just saw it.
Yes, this one is moving.
It's moving. It's a butterfly.
So after this, we are just gonna sit it still.
And here's our little butterfly kit.
Alright. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video and an update on our little caterpillar.
Butterflies.
Okay.
Bye bye.